Make a great choice today with the 2022 Cabriolet. The Audi Cabriolet. Solid German engineering. Smooth powertrain with a comfy interior will have you riding in luxury. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance, LED headlights. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.